Mama housekeeping planners. I've never heard of this company, but their branding and their website looks super cute, so I wanted to try them out. This is the biggest box ever. It's probably because I ordered 4 different things from them. I ordered a planner, I ordered a binder kit, and I ordered 2 stickers. So it came in this massively huge box. It also had a thing on the side that says fragile, handled with care. I think that was a little silly. I don't know if they're fragile, like it's just paper. Like when I think of fragile, I think of or I don't know, something that can't be folded or bended. I just made up a word. All right, I'm going to take these all out so we can see these because there's nothing special about the packaging. It's just a box with some brown paper in it. So we have the Clean Mama routine. Step 1, the daily tasks. Make the beds. I always do that. Check the floors. I don't have children, so I don't really need to check the floors. Wipe the counters. I don't always do that. I should. Well, that's not true. I do that at night before we go to bed. And when I say I really mean Ben does that. Task 4, tackle clutter. I'm a minimalist, so there is no clutter. And I have a clean desk policy, so there's never anything on my desk the next day. And task 5, load of laundry. I think if you had children, you probably have to do laundry every day. Let's see, step 2, the weekly tasks. Do I do these every week? Bathrooms, dust, vacuum, wash floors, catch up, sheets and towels, just the dailies. And yeah, I would say I do all of these. No, I don't. Bathrooms, Ben usually takes care of that. I don't have anything to dust because I don't have stuff. Or I don't have knickknacks. I do vacuum every Wednesday. How funny is that? But I also vacuum on Saturdays. I do it twice a week because Ben has allergies. Washing the floors, Ben does that probably, I want to say like once a month. Friday catch up, there's really nothing to catch up. Sheets and towels, I do those, honestly, I don't know. I do them definitely weekly. I just kind of throw them in when I do the laundry. But I like this. This is cute. All right, so let's look at the stickers first because that'll be easiest. We have, now these sticker sets, one was $7. These are the cleaning routine stickers, I think. And then these are the routine task stickers. These were $8. And these were the cleaning routine stickers, and these were $7. So these were, I believe, just pictures that you could kind of throw in there. And it looks like they don't have any colors. They just have that one, this kind of minty Tiffany's color. Maybe that's why I liked it. I was like, this kind of reminds me of Tiffany's, even though it's all about cleaning. So, and they have different shades of that mint color. So little dots, I guess, to say yes or no if you did a certain task. And then we have inside of here, we have our task list. So the bathroom, the dusting, vacuuming, floor washing, catch-all, towels, sheets and towels. We have just the daily. So it basically is the same thing as this card. Yeah, it's the exact same thing as this card, but they're little stickers that you can adhere to, I guess, your Monday or whatever day you want to do them. So we have make beds, check floors, wipe counters, pick up clutter, laundry. So this is the dailies right here, just repeated. So that's what you get. And then these down here are just, it's hard to see. There's a faint image. I can't even see this of something. Like it's so light, it doesn't even matter. You can't even see it. All right. So these are in mint. Oh, you only get one sheet of these. So for these dailies, you could do 1, 2, 3, 4 times 4. So 16 days. And that's it. That's all you got. Let's see. Bathrooms day. Dusting day. Okay, so you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. And then we get another set. It looks like the same thing as the first sheet, but just black and white without the colors. I guess the colors don't really matter because when you take these off, you only get the actual stickers. You don't get to see the background. So this is more of a checklist. And I know what you're thinking. Is this one matte? They're both like shiny vinyl. So I would think it would be hard to check off for both, but I don't know. All right, so there was that. And then this must be the planner. So this is the Homekeeping Planner. This was the Cotton Blossom, and that's just the type of cover design. And this one was $58. And we have it wrapped in plastic. And the spiral, which I love, the O coils. It's probably my favorite. Well, no, that's not true. I like a regular spiral too. I like them both. So here we go. Clean Mama, this planner belongs to you. So we have a nice chipboard, in case you're wondering, and we have the little corner protectors. We have the O coil, we have a plain back over here, and then let's open it up. So we have Welcome to the Planner 2022 through 2023. Now these are unlabeled tabs, so that'll be interesting to see what's in there. Quick start guide. I'm so glad you're here. Here's how to get started. Learn the 5 daily tasks. Okay, so this is her like thing. Those are those 5 tasks. She has her weekly tasks and then the rotating tasks and the monthly focus. So I don't know what those are. So we learned about the 5 daily tasks. We learned about the weekly tasks and then the rotating tasks, deep cleaning tasks. I see. The baseboards, light fixtures, launder bedding, spot clean furniture, polished wood furniture, change filters. And I used to think this was silly, but there are like millions of views for people that are like, how I clean my bathroom. And I was like, that is crazy to me that people like that. But I think everyone's trying to do their best at everything, no matter what it is in life. And one of them is cleaning your house. So here we go. The monthly focus. Maybe this is like you want to declutter 1 month or paint a room or something. Let's see, 2022 overview and the 2023 at a glance. So you got both years. That's nice. And then we jump into these tabs. So there are a bunch of tabs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 tabs. Like there are 12 months, even though they're not labeled. And maybe that's because this is undated. I'm going to guess this is undated. This month, important dates to remember, goals for the month. Yeah, there we go. We have our undated planner, which is kind of odd because it said this is the 2022 through 2023 planner. Like, what's the point of the planner if you're not going to put dates in? But all right. So we have our undated month, and then we have week of, and then we have those daily tasks on repeat right over here. Monday through Sunday. And then we have over here the weekly tasks. And that's it. Since you only have to do the weekly tasks once, I guess you can kind of check everything off. So these are basically just checklists for your house. You know how when you go to the bathrooms at those public places like Starbucks and you'll see like the maintenance on the door behind you and someone will check it off with their initials. So maybe you could share this on the kitchen counter and then assign different tasks to people. All right, monthly checklist, space for notes, and then we jump right into, I bet, a rinse and repeat. I am correct. So we have a rinse and repeat. So now I do think, I don't know, I love the concept of this, but now I'm like, is this a little silly just to have the same sheet over and over again? Let me know what you think. All right, so let's move on to, let me jump to the end. Let's see if there's anything special here at this little home tab. Your clean and organized home. There are 4 parts to the clean. Yeah, we know. We got it. So it's a repeat again of what we already read. Oh, I see. So January, whole house declutter. See, this would have been nice if it had been dated and then you could have put this in there. Like, I feel like that would have been better. All right, spring cleaning, the bathrooms. So she does give you a suggestion, or maybe this is just like what you should do for the monthly focus. Yeah, this is your monthly focus. July, organize, August, closets, September, entry, mudway, laundry area, living areas. I know people who live in apartments are like, are you kidding me? I don't have that much space. Especially I used to live in a studio pretty much my whole life until I came to San Diego. Here we go. Seasonal spring cleaning, seasonal summer cleaning, seasonal fall, seasonal winter. And they gave you some stickers inside of here already. So I guess they gave you some stickers. That's helpful that you could just go ahead and put onto here, but you'd still have to number all your dates. There's a pocket folder in the back. And that's it. All right. I would have loved this had it been dated. I think because it's not dated, it seems a little silly to me, but maybe that's how she's like, when she said 2022 to 2023, she's like, these are your cover options for the next 2 years, and I won't give you new ones till 2024. That's what I'm guessing this is. But let's go ahead and take a look at the Homekeeping Binder. Now this was $25, and it's just like it says, it's a binder. Right? I don't know what that is. And then we have a page of stickers. Again, we have the months. And oh, this is different. We have tabs along the top. So 4 big tabs along the top, maybe for seasons. Let's look at these stickers. I don't see seasons. I don't know what it's for. Okay. And then over here, we have tabs for 12 for the months of the year. So I do like these tabs and this tab divider. So basically you do get, just like it says, just a binder, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and measure this binder. This is 11 across and almost like 11 3/4 tall. So nice big binder, lays flat here, which, you know, it's kind of funny. This is a really small, so I would guess this is probably like 1 inch. So you can't put a lot inside this binder, but yeah, there we go. So let me know what you thought. And remember, if you would like to create your own planner, make sure to sign up for my free course, Planner 101. I will leave a link to that below. And I am excited though, 100%, because I'm always telling everyone to niche down and create a planner with a purpose. And she has created a planner with a purpose. This is for someone who wants to be the ultimate clean housewife. And just get kind of organized with your own household. So I do love this. All right. I hope everyone's having a fabulous day, and I'll talk to you later.